Okay, so the first question is 2A, and I said I use Scratch, which uses the Adobe Flash, which applies the programming language ActionScript. The purpose of my program is to make a game where the player chooses any sprite and has to dodge the sharks in order to gain points. The object of the game is to get the highest score possible. The video shows how the game works. The player is given one of four characters to choose from. Once chosen, he/she is taken to a different background where they have to dodge the sharks. As the game goes on, more sharks are added at higher speeds. They have 3 lives, and for every second, the score gets higher. For 2B, I said the process of creating my program was very time consuming, but ultimately very fun to do. The development of my program was independent because the coronavirus made it harder to work with people. A difficulty I had was making the sprite's life only go down by an increment of 1 when it was hit by a shark, because the code would always make it go down by a lot more than 1. To resolve this, I added a timer so after it got hit, it would go down 1 life and then wait a second before the code could work again. An opportunity I encountered was sound effects. Scratch allows you to upload and use their sounds, which makes the game less boring. I incorporated this by uploading background music, and I use sound effects in the beginning of the game and whenever the sprite gets hit.